ND Filter Installation Guide. In this kit, we provide a brand new original Mavic 3 Pro ND set, ND8, ND16, ND32, and ND64, along with 2 carbon fiber quick-release frames. First, choose an ND filter and mount it onto the quick-release frame. The frame has 3 holes that match the original filter tabs. Align the holes and tabs carefully, then press until the filter sits flat and is fully secured. Now you're ready to swap. Power on the drone and wait for the gimbal self-check. Use 2 fingers to steady the gimbal tilt. With your other hand, lightly press the original lens cover and rotate it counterclockwise about 5 degrees to remove it. Next, position our ND mount. Keep the larger opening facing up and align it with the original lens. Let it sit flush first, then rotate clockwise to lock. Apply pressure only on the outer frame of the 3D printed mount, not the glass. Now the installation is complete. Before takeoff, do a quick gimbal tilt and rotation test to confirm smooth movement. After landing or changing the battery, please remove the filter assembly. This is a cost-effective upgrade, but if budget allows, we recommend DJI's official ND filters. They're the easiest option. Just install and power on. When you're installing this for the first time, an imperfect fit may cause the installation to fail, and the gimbal may temporarily lose power and droop. This is normal. Just restart the drone or wait about 20 seconds, and the gimbal should return to its normal position. If you find the installation difficult at first, don't worry. We've fully tested this setup to ensure it works properly and won't damage your drone. Just take your time and practice with a little extra patience.